Okay, the first thing we're going to be taking a look at is the first position E minor pentatonic scale, and this is going to be from the 12th fret on the low E string, and it goes a little something like this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the fret numbers that correspond with the notes that I've just played for that. So on the low E string, we've got 12 to 15. Then on the A string, we've got 12 to 14. Then on the D string, we've got 12 to 14. Then 12 to 14 on the G string. 12 to 15 on the B string, and 12 to 15 on the high E string. And to come back down, you just literally do the reverse of what you did going up. So we're starting 15 on the high E string, we've got 15, 12 on the high E, 15, 12 on the B, 14 to 12 on the G, 14, 12 on the D, 14, 12 on the A, and then finish off on the low E at 15 off to 12. Okay, so again. Okay, you can also practice a little bit of alternate picking with the right hand while doing this pentatonic scale. If you start on a downstroke, you literally just do down, up, down, up, down, up, and then eventually when you get back down to the 12th fret on the low E string, you should be ending on a downstroke to finish. Okay, now we're going to take a look at a slightly different version of the first position pentatonic, where we're going to be adding in the flat fifth, which creates the E minor blues scale. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's pretty much the same as the first position E pentatonic that we looked at, but we're adding in the flat fifth, which is going to be frets 13 on the A, and then 15 on the G. And you're playing it chromatically on the A string, so. And then on the G string, we're playing 12, 14, 15. So once more through. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play both those scale shapes that we've just looked at over a backing track in the same key so you can hear how they sound. So here it is. Okay, so all I was doing over that backing track was just literally going up and down the scale shapes that we looked at. So the first position E minor pentatonic, and then adding in those blues notes on the 13th fret on the A string and the 15th fret on the G string. And I mean, basically how I played that is just a good way of practicing it, you know, just going up each scale shape and then coming down again, not really trying to do anything too fancy, just so you can really get to grips with the position.